Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So today we are launching a new update for Aimogen, and today it is about the chatbot and the vision feature. So in the latest update you will see that in the AI chatbot menu you can go to API parameters and select chatbot model, a model which select vision, and currently this is only the GPT-4 vision preview. And after you selected this model, so you will see that enable chatbot vision settings fields will appear, and you can set it to on, save settings, and afterwards this little button will also appear in the input field of the chatbot. And if we select an image from here, we can highlight this, and we have now selected an image. We can write to the chatbot that we can ask anything about the image. So what is this image about? Tell me details. Okay, so as you can see, the image will appear actually in the chat, and the chatbot will respond. Appears to be detailed training program for running a sub 4-hour marathon. So sub 4-hour marathon training plan, and it gives details about it. Okay, so let's go ahead and try another image. Let's try this one right now, and the image is the image selector is highlighted, showing us that an image is selected. And this image, conceptually restricting the human brain with electrical plug. Okay, let's go with this one. Is this image green? Yes, piece of broccoli. And let me show you one more. Can I play with the object from this image? Depicts a dice, then yes, it is an object that you can use for playing various games. So yeah, it is currently Brandon, the persona, the chatbot persona, which is a WordPress plugin developer. So this is why he is acting like a WordPress plugin developer right now. But as you can see, the chatbot vision actually recognizes the images and yeah, discusses about them. So there is one major limitation at the moment, but this probably will be removed in upcoming updates for the plugin. So if you enter an image, it is available for the chatbot to see it only in the current message. So if you write a message and add an image, and you want to ask another question about the image, what color is the above image? It will not be able to respond because images are not sent again to the chatbot only once. So this is to limit the usage of credits, because as you might know, using images in current chatbot setup use a lot of credits, and yeah, this is to limit this spending of credits. But this will be probably addressed in upcoming plugin updates. So yeah, this is the vision update for Aimogen. Go ahead and check Aimogen. It is linked in this video description. And as always, like, share, subscribe. It is really appreciated. If you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments. This is all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.